Magtanaw at magtayog!
Samahan ninyo kami na balikan ang mga pangyayari sa nakaluipas na 5 dekada. Ito ang UPLB Sociology. Mahusay, magalang, makatao, at makatarungan.
I'd like to congratulate all of you, our alumni, and I wish you all luck and more success in the future.
This is the 50th year of the Department of Social Sciences. We're actually celebrating the golden anniversary of DSS. So malaking milestone. So we hope that you will still join us for the next years, no? For the next couple of years as we celebrate another milestone. So maraming salamat and see you around. Thank you.
Nais ko pong batiin ang Department of Social Sciences. Happy 50th anniversary sa lahat ng faculty and staff. Congratulations sa inyo.
I wish that we continue to provide alumni that give impact in the educational, corporate, and other sectors. Congrats UPLB DSS to your 50 years.
Together, let us continue to build bridges of understanding, advocate for peace, and inspire positive change through the power of social sciences. Congratulations to all of us. Here's to next 50 years of the department.
It is heartwarming, actually, to behold the spectacle of former students from batch 1970s up to 2020s flocking back to their alma mater to walk down memory lane.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ngayon sa pagtanaw ng ating mga alaala ng nakaraan at pagsulong sa hinaharap, naway tayo ay manatiling bahagi sa patuloy na pag-unlad at pagtayo ng ating departamento.
Naniniwala ako na hindi ka makakarating sa iyong paroroonan kung hindi ka marunong lumingon sa iyong pinanggalingan.
At ito ang Pagtanaw at Pagtayog 2023.
Let us enjoy these occasions and make it a happy reunion full of laughter and with a bang.
Pagtanaw at pagtayog